Hello everybody, it's Chris from the Gunpla Network, and it's time for your Gunpla Network news for April 25th, 2018. We have a whole bunch of suits to go through, so let's get to it. First up, we have an SDCS Zaku 2. This will be released July 2018 for a price of 864 yen. We have another SDCS, it's a Zeta Gundam. It will be released August 2018 for a price of 1,080 yen. Now we have an SD-BD RX Zero Maru, released on August 2018 for 1944 yen. Next up, we have an HGUC 1144 GM Guard Custom. This will be released July of 2018 for a price of 1944 yen. We have another HGUC, a 1144 Bjarland. This will come out on July 2018 for a price of 2808 yen. We have an HGBD 1144 GRIMOIRE-RED Beret. This will be released April 2018 for a price of 1944 yen. We have another HGBD, it's a 1144 Gundam Jegan Ultron. It will be released July 2018 for a price of 1944 yen. We have another HGBD, it's a 1144 Galbaldy Rebake. This will be released July 2018 for a retail price of 2376 yen. We have a HGUC Sinanju Stein Gundam Base Edition. This is currently on display at the Gundam Base Tokyo. As a prototype, we don't have any release information about this as of yet. The sculpt on this looks pretty good, actually. We have a HGUC 1144 Gundam Unit 03 Phenex in Destroy mode from the new Narrative series. This will be released on June 2018 for a price of 3,024 yen. We have an RG 1144 Sazabi. This will be released August 2018 for a price of 4860 yen. Next, we have the MG 1100 Jegan. This will be released July 2018 for a price of 4320 yen. We have a P Bondi release. It's a Master Grade 1100 Ian Graydon's Zaku. This will be released July of 2018. Okay, that's the kits for this week. Next up, we have the top 5 builds of the week. In 5th place, we have Muhammad Harry Kiswanto, and Death is Coming. In 4th place, we have Jan Guan and his custom Master Grade F91. In 3rd place, we have Jeremy Parian and his Iron Cavalry Guncannon. In 2nd place, we have Vyacheslav Kataev and his HG Panzer Zulu. I'm sorry if I mispronounced that name. And in 1st place, we have Chui and his Power Tower Diorama. Chui has been top of this list quite a few times. Good work, Sing. And now it's time for your Gunpla Network updates. On GunplaNetwork.com, we review the HG EMS-10 Zuda. We also discuss what a new Type 002 is really about. And on YouTube, we review the Master Grade 1100 Turn X. As well as we have a live discussion regarding the Mobile Suit Gundam narrative trailer and new kits that are coming from it. And finally, we have a first look at the Reborn 1100 Afreet Custom. That's it for your Gunpla Network news for this week. Please like and subscribe and comment on our videos, and keep building Gunpla!